Tishrei 23. The 7th month of Tishrei can be September. The 8th month of Tishrei can also be October. So, since numbers are not a coincidence, nothing is a coincidence. The true source of all power speaks through numbers. So, let me explain to you why my symbols engraved in my flesh plus my birth date equals YahuShA. And let me explain why, since I was born, since I arrived on the 23rd of Tishrei, which is the 7th month, September, and it falls on the 8th month, which would make it the 2nd day of the 8th month. And the 2nd day of the 8th month, October, would be the 23rd. So, on the original calendar, the 7th month would be the 23rd, and it would be the 2nd day of the 8th month. So let's start. So we have 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. What does that give you? 16. That gives you 16. The 7th month, Tishrei. Remember, September is the 7th month, and it falls in October, which is also the 8th month. So 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 16. What is 16? 16. I. 16 is the I in the Aleph Beit, ancient Abrit letters. In the Aleph Beit, Abrit letters is 22 letters in total. 22 letters in total. So we have the I. Eighth month, which is September and October. So the 8th month, more over October. So the 8th month plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 17. What is 17? The pi. Pi. The mouth. The word. In the ancient Abrit 22 letters, the Aleph Beit, the 17th letter is the pi, the word. So far we have I, word. Remember, September, October. This is also September, October. And since it's the 8th month, it still falls in the line of October. So this would make it, this would be October 23rd. This would be also October 23rd. But the 8th month would make it the second day of the 23rd. So once October 23rd, once the 8th month and the 7th month, once they both hit the 23rd, that would make it the second day of the 8th month. Now, this is the ancient calendar. So let's get it started. Eight plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. What do you get? 14. The noon. The bond. Bond means sun. 14 equals noon. The air. 14th ancient alphabet letter in the alphabet. It's 22 letters. The 14th letter is the noon, the bond, sun. Bond means sun. The noon, the air. Who was appointed heir of all things? Who is the heir of all things? YahuShA. Now, you see this here? See this here? 20. What's 20? The head. Rash. Head. Rash means head. Head. Who's the head of man? Who's the head of all man? YahuShA. So you have Ein, word, I, word, air. I, word, bind. I, word, noon. So I, word, air. So Ein, Pi, Noon, Rash. I, word, air, head. Head, air, word, I am the head, air, word. 10, 5, 6. Yad, high, or high is 10, 5, 6, 5. No. You wondering where I get the 10, 5, 6 from? I will add the 3 symbols which I got these numbers from. I didn't get these numbers for no reason. So, Yad, High, Ur. 10 plus 5 plus 6 equals 21. What's the 21st letter in the alphabet? I read letters. Shine. Teeth means destroy. The 21st letter. So 3 symbols I have engraved in my flesh. You add 3, you add Yod, Hai, Or, and you get shine. How do I get 16? Remember, my symbols plus my birth equals YahuShA. I take the first equation and I use that and I get the Ayin. Since the 7th month plus the 23rd day, which is October 23rd, gives me the Ayin for YahuShA. So this is what we'll do. Y A H U This is a S. But let me draw it in the way you will understand. S H 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 21. 10 plus 5 plus 6 equals 21. 16 equals Ayin. Yod, Hai, Or, Shine, Ayin. YahuShA. Ten, Yod, 5, Hai, 6, Ua, 21, Shine, 16, Ayin. 10, Yod, 5, Hai, 6, Or, 21, Shine, 16, Ayin. Yod, Hai, Or, Shine, Ayin. YahuShA.